Okay, I'll say something now that's really for YouTube, for anyone who's unfamiliar with the Theosophical teachings, or perhaps has never even heard of Theosophy before. Reincarnation. Okay, reincarnation, yes, but can you outlive the stars? Now, most people who come to Theosophy, certainly people who come to the meetings in Cardiff, even if you've never heard of Theosophy, never been before, at least accept the possibility of reincarnation, even if they're unclear about the mechanics of it. But they accept the possibilities it exists in some way, although many are not too convinced by past life regression, that sort of thing. But the belief is there, and the acceptance of the possibility of reincarnation is clearly quite widespread. But a question arises, and I asked this myself when I first came, in fact before I came to Theosophy. Yes, reincarnation, but modern science now postulates, and this is a widely held view, that the Earth will come to an end, the Sun will complete its cycle, as all stars do, and come to an end, and eventually the universe will no longer exist. Actually, a few years ago, Fred Hoyle's constant state universe was more widely, I don't think it's accepted at all now, I don't know anybody now that accepts it, but that was a framework for continuous reincarnation. But the universe, as we understand it now, according to science, will no longer exist. So, how do you reincarnate when there's no longer a universe? Well, Theosophy does have the answer to that one. Blavatsky postulated that we're living in a universe that is one of a chain of universes, successive universes existing, and then for a while ceasing to exist. You know, there's a gap called a pralaya, in which the universe is in obscuration. But each universe gives rise to the next one. So that means effectively that the universe itself and everything in it will reincarnate. So that in a way does answer a big question. It certainly answered a big question for me when I first came to the Theosophical Society.